Every day, Canadians spend $5 on coffee, but never invest $5 into their future. And that's exactly why most people never build wealth. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest investing guide in Canada. Even if you have $0, even if you've never invested before, and even if money scares you. Let's make this easy. Alright, before you start investing, you need a tiny foundation, not $1 million plan. Just two simple things. A small $500 emergency fund and high-interest debt under control. Why? Because if your credit card is charging you 20% interest and your investments make 7%, you're still losing money. Fix this first, then grow. Here's where Canada is different from the US. In Canada, the account you invest in matters more than the investment itself. The two accounts you must know. TFSA, tax-free savings account. This is the GOAT for beginners. Everything grows tax-free. If your investments make $100 or $10,000, you keep all of it. Most Canadians should start here. RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This one gives you a tax deduction. Great if you make a higher income and want to pay less tax now. Simple Canadian rule of thumb. Under 60K income, TFSA first. Above a 60K income, use TFSA plus RRSP. Here's the part everyone overcomplicates. Listen, you do not need to pick individual stocks. You don't need to guess the next Tesla. And you don't need to watch the stock market every day. The easiest, safest option for beginners is this. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. One ETF can hold Apple, Microsoft, Google, RBC, TD, Shopify. Basically hundreds of companies in one investment. Examples Canadians love: VQT, Growth, XEQT, Simple All-in-One, VGRO, Balanced, VCNS, Conservative. Pick one, set it. Forget it. These are the platforms that make investing ridiculously easy. Wealth Simple, beginner-friendly, commission-free. Questrade, more advanced, great for ETFs. Quest Wealth, automated investing. Just choose one, don't freeze. Taking action beats picking the perfect app. Ready for the best part? You do not need $1,000. You do not need $500. You can start investing with $50 or $100 a month. Buy the same ETF every month. This is called dollar cost averaging. The secret beginners use to grow wealth slowly and safely. The biggest mistake Canadians make is trying to time the market, or waiting until they understand everything. You'll never know everything, but you do know this. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start early, start small. Start today. If you want me to make a full video on TFSA, RRSP, or the best ETFs in Canada, drop a comment. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe, because your future self will thank you.